Hello everyone, I'm Karthi Vignesh. In this video, I want to talk about experiment number 4 in computer networks lab, which is the switch configuration. Switch configuration using CLI command in packet tracer. So basically, we'll be configuring switch like we did configure routers in the previous experiment. So first, I'm opening the Cisco packet tracer and I'm going to construct a network. So I'm using 4 PCs on the left and 2 on the right, and I'm using switches, 2 switches here. One is here and the next one is here, and I'm gonna connect them all. So after making these connections, I have to configure the IP addresses of all the computers. So starting from this one, 192.168, 1 and 100. I'm using this one, this format for IP addresses. So it's the first one, and for this one we'll be using 101 on display IP, and 101, and for this one we'll be using 102, and for this one we'll be using 104, oh, sorry, 103. So after using this, I'm just adding these nodes so that we know which IP address is for which one, and I'm gonna move it around. For this one is for this one is for this, and this one is for this. So I will be configuring for this one too. Okay, forget. 4, 105, 104, and 105. So the basic configuration is done. So So basic configuration is done now. So now I'm going to configure the routers. So these are a list of commands that we'll be going through for configuring it. So first I'm opening the switch 0, which has 4 pieces connected to it, and I'm going to the CLI in CLI, and first I'm enabling it. After that I'm using config.t to enter the configuration stage, and I'm keeping the hostname as SWL. After that, I'm showing show VLAN. Now it shows us all the VLANs right now, how it's going on, and things, all the details required to the VLAN. Okay, so next we're going to config T again, and now we're going to VLAN 10, and we're naming it CSE C flow, and we're giving exit. Now we are giving VLAN 20, and we're naming it CSE FT float, and we are exiting twice. Now we are giving show VLAN, and it shows us all the details again, including the like MTU, including the names that we have changed here: CSC floor for VLAN 10 and CSCFT floor for VLAN 20. So now we are going to the next one, which is config.t again, fa01. This is the port that we are connected to right now in the first one. So that's the port we are selecting it, and we are changing the switch port mode to access, and we're giving switch port access to VLAN 10. After that, we're exiting twice again, and now we are going to configuration again, and we are going to configure the next port, which is 02, and we are switching it to switch port mode access, and we are going switch port access and give it to VLAN 20. So after that, we are exiting twice, and we are going to configuration again. We are taking the port 03, and we are going to again node access, and we are giving switch port access to VLAN 10, and we are exiting again, and the configuration interface 04 next port, and we are giving switch port node access and switch port, sorry, I made a mistake. Switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 20, and we are exiting twice, and we are giving show VLAN. As you can see, now we are configured CSCC flow to FA01, FA03, and CSCFT flow to FA02 and FA04 ports respectively. So this is the configuration that we have been doing, and this is the VLAN 10 and VLAN 20. We have named them as CSC C floor and CSC FT. So after that, we are going to show the MAC address table just for output purposes, and these are the MAC addresses. Sorry, where is it? Okay, these are the MAC addresses, and so on FA05. So this is the configuration for the switch 0, and for the switch 1 we will be again configuring it. And for this as well, we'll be giving int FA024 the port, and we are switching it to trunk, and we exit, and we can, sorry, and we can see the VLAN for this one too. So these are the configuration that we have done for the switches, and all the traffic is being regulated. As you can see from the green arrows, the traffic is being regulated properly, and the blinking is alternative. As you can see, these two blinks first and these two blinks next. That's because we are configured it in such a way that only the two ports 2 and 4, as you can see in the pop-up, 2 and 4, 2 and 4 is for the VLAN 20, and 1 and 3 is for VLAN 10. So they'll be alternating it for better traffic management. So that's what the switches are used for this case. And yeah, that's it. That's the end of the switch configuration. So this is the required output, and it has been achieved. um, Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video.